by the loss of our beloved grandfather, who I love very much. How I miss him. He encouraged me to persevere. For more than 8 years, I wrote more than 300 letters, and I bookbound. It is now in 3 volumes. Besides, I also tell stories about the latest events that happened in my life through the internet. I post my online journals both in my Blogger and Multiply accounts. After saving all my files in Microsoft Word, others in Word file. During my vacant times, I did my assignments, surfed the internet, attended picnics with my friends, and helped my parents in doing household chores. I also wrote 2 short stories, Golden Voice. It is a story of Goldie. He is a Filipino animator, and Willow Angel, a story of Joanna Marie, a singer who scored major successes in international competitions. During the last 2 years of my college life, I took part in film projects with my classmates as part of our requirements in film production classes. I played diverse roles in films of all genres. The most memorable project was Ate, a story which dealt with the lives of 2 sisters who found happiness despite the struggles that they went through. We spent several days shooting in different locations, including our house. Shooting our own television programs was a culminating activity for our students. We wrote scripts, decided lines, and faced the cameras. Before coming up with our own productions, we researched on diverse topics, run materials, and organized sequences of scripts to be recited in our shows. Let's Talk was the most interesting group production to date. It was in the format of Oprah, in which the main host allows guest speakers to their minds about a particular topic. Besides, we also produced news programs where we shared the most recent events that happened both here and abroad. In my print media and journalism classes, I wrote articles dealing with different topics about my studies, current events, and way of living. I researched on my topics at the library by browsing through the internet and referring to my notes. I also made such projects as magazines and corporate identity packages. We did lots of research and provided enough materials as we met the deadlines. In fact, writing honed my thinking skills because I exercised my thoughts on the situations that happen in the real world. Theater is considered as the most challenging activity that a performer must go through. When I was in 4th year, I attended classes in drama and acting workshop. At the end of the first semester, we produced a play entitled My Story. This story focuses on a young writer who falls in love with 2 men and gets caught in a web of deception after suffering complicated problems in love. My 4th year of stay at Lyceum Institute of Technology drew fruitful results in terms of studies. The school year 2006 to 2007 was a critical year for me because I did a lot of projects and underwent training seminars in preparation for my future employment. On the first semester, I participated with my classmates in a series of group projects that are related to the principles of filmmaking, theater arts, and print media. We took part in radionating training seminars by serving as club timers in both Cybercada and music intermake shows. Those programs dealt on youth-related issues in an integrated musical production wherein we invited several guest speakers and played songs that made waves in the music scene. We also helped these jockeys with messages and plug in greetings in weekly jam on weekdays after classes. We submitted complete transcripts after doing our respective productions on Saturday mornings. Our training seminars ended when the initial income educational trip at Manila Broadcasting Company was done as part of our radio classes. We toured the station, observed DJs hosting their respective shows, took note of lectures, and watched technicians operate consoles inside the studio. I had my on-the-job training sessions at MBC Radyo natin with my 3 classmates. Within our 5-week stay, we did such assignments that were related to the production of radio programs, like organizing playlists of songs and singers, transcribing of Radyo natin vlogs, and preparing giveaways for the MBC Christmas Party 2006. I helped write down information on the scripts for working president with my classmates and organized playlists for the day's broadcast. Learning such activities as this required precise thinking and good delivery of details, because the audiences must know that the events that happen under the Arroyo's regime. I learned the principles of discipline and responsibility in the company by submitting requirements on time to the bosses, and built up confidence by working together in major assignments as a group. Aside from MBC Radio, we also had our training seminars at Shepherd's Voice in Cubao, Quezon City. We were placed at the sales and marketing department. The staff and employees allowed us to do individual activities in the office, by responding to phone calls, typing documents, and tracing price tags. I spent most of the time doing activities at the stock room. I wrote an OJT manuscript entitled Double Duties, which featured the accomplishments I performed after completing 250 hours in both companies. During the second semester, aside from undergoing on-the-job training seminars, I also conducted a thesis study with my classmates on the topic credibility and audience appeal of Filipino TV actors and actresses as food product endorsers. Our study dealt with the thoughts of second-year and third-year students on the significance of the food products that are promoted by renowned television personalities. April 12, 2007 served as my final episode and the most special day at the Lyceum Institute of Technology. College graduation is a time where I will raise my classmates, each one of us living an independent life. It was attended by about 200 students who finished 12 courses, including a Bachelor of Arts in Communication, which is better known as ABCom, which only produced 19 graduates this year. I will list all the professors, classmates, and staff who supported me over the past 4 years. Ms. Solita Colias Monsod, better known as Maribuini, was our guest speaker as she discussed the 3 points on the 4 principles of college education in relation to our lives. Graduation may be one of the saddest